So everybody, this is my ultimate team. Okay, we have here Jose Callejon, who plays with Real Madrid. We have Love, who plays with SK Moscow, I think, he's 82. We have Giroud. We have Samir Nasri. Then we have Gerrard. Right back is Glenn Johnson. Centre back is Vlar. Goalkeeper is let me see now. His name is Leno. Then we have Ricardo Carvalho and Kolarov, and we have Inform Sahin on the bench. We have here David Beckham, Diego, Thomas Pinto, Scholes, Sharner, Diego Gelli, Adam. And on reserves we have Rosario, Fernando, Jenic, Long, and Pandus. So it's not a bad team. So we've Inform. You should see the videos of my ultimate when I was opening the pack that when I got him. So please look at my videos. Thanks for watching.